Hey guys, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. Today I'm out here with my new planter. Remember one of my previous videos, and I'll put a link to it up in the corner, but I said my husband needed to get me a planter to go and under these windows, that it would really set this off. Well, this is it. He got it put up last weekend, but we have had rain every day, or it's been very, very cloudy and gloomy with no sun and very cool. So this, excuse the train. So this is our first pretty day, and we had dense fog this morning, and now it's cleared off and the sun is shining and it's beautiful out. So I wanted to get out and try to get some planting done. But I'm going to be putting some super petunias, some dichondria, some verbena, and probably a geranium in here. All of my plants, I've had them for probably a month, and they've all just about quit blooming because they haven't had any sun. So what you're gonna see, it's not gonna be full. It'll eventually fill up, I know, but I've just got to plant them now and let them get to growing again and blooming. It's just kind of stunted them where they haven't had any sunlight. So I'm gonna do the best I can with this. I think it's gonna be great. This is self-watering. It has a reservoir in the bottom that collects some of the water when you water them. This area gets full sun in the afternoon, so it gets very hot. So I'm hoping this works well. I may have to come out here and water in the afternoon and wet the house down just to keep it from getting so hot, but I think this is going to work out well. It's a lovely spot, and we're already making plans to put another one just like this one. This is a 6-foot size. We're going to put it over at our dining room windows, and then 2 small ones over the garage windows. So I'm really pleased with this, and I'm looking forward to see how it's going to look, seeing how many plants it's going to take to fill it up. So thank you for watching today, and I'm going to just flow through the planting and not even capture any of that and just show you what it looks like when I'm through. Okay guys, I may be overblown. The sun's getting here on my area where I'm shooting. My box is all done. It's all planted. Everything went well except for dumping most of a bag of potting soil down the front of my shirt and down my blouse. I'm messy. You can see it's all over me, but that's okay. Gardeners get dirty. So in this box I have 2 dichondrias. I have some freesia, some cosmos, a geranium, and I have 4 super petunia bordeaux's. The little purple are the freesia. So everything is going to be draping over the front of this box except these in the back. These are my height, and they'll either be mounding or growing tall. These will get up, it says 18 to 36 inches. I think it's all going to be beautiful, especially the way it'll trail down the front, and it'll fill this box up probably in just a couple of weeks. So I'm excited to see all of these start blooming again when we keep sunshine here. It's supposed to have rain again the middle of next week, but it's only like a 30% chance now. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this box. My husband got it put up for me last weekend, and I'm glad finally to get it planted. This box was very easy to put together. You actually glue it together, and you can see I've got drainage coming out from under the bottom now. So if your trough overflows, it has an overflow so that when the trough overflows, it's not going to sit and just have your plants all soggy. But the roots and the plants will actually wick up the water that's in the trough. So I'm hoping with full sun that maybe I can go every second or third day without having to water. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Garden Rudiments. This is the rest of the bed that's in front of the windows. I had planted this up, and I was telling you about the planter that I thought my husband should get me to go on this window. So this is where you can see the window, and you can see my freshly planted box. My husband is a very good husband. He loves me very much, and he saw the need for this box as much as I did. And I think it looks great. He did a great job getting it up there. It wasn't as hard as we thought it would be.